Windmills are a remarkable technology that harnesses the power of the wind to generate energy. They have a long history, dating back to the 9th century in Persia and the 12th century in northwestern Europe. Today, they're often associated with Dutch culture, with around 1,000 windmills still standing in the Netherlands. Now, let's talk about how windmills work. They're designed to convert wind power into rotational energy using vanes called sails or blades. When the wind blows, the sails rotate, and this rotation is then used to perform various tasks such as grinding grain or pumping water. The manufacturing process of windmills is quite complex. They're typically made of wood, stone, and metal, with the sails being the most important part. The sails are usually made of wood and the blades are made of metal. The windmill is then assembled on a solid foundation, usually made of stone. Once the windmill is manufactured, it's transported to the land where it will be established. This process can be quite challenging, as the windmill needs to be carefully disassembled and then reassembled in its new location. After the windmill is up and running, the electricity generated is transferred to a power plant. This process is known as electricity transfer. The windmill's rotational energy is converted into electrical energy, which is then transported to the power plant through a network of cables. Now, let's discuss the advantages and disadvantages of windmills. One of the main advantages is that they're a renewable source of energy, meaning they won't run out. They're also relatively low maintenance and can operate for decades without needing much attention. However, they're not always the most efficient energy source, as they're dependent on the wind, which can be unpredictable. In conclusion, windmills are an impressive technology that has a rich history and a bright future. They're a great example of how humans have harnessed natural resources to create energy and solve problems. So, the next time you see a windmill, take a moment to appreciate its history and the ingenuity behind it. Thank you for joining me on this journey into the world of windmills. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to follow and subscribe for more interesting and informative content. Until next time, keep exploring.